Alright guys, this is my first print with my anycubic with everything updated, including the Z steps, or the E steps actually, for the extruder, because it's a dual drive now. I'm printing a relatively small gear, and for now it looks perfect. No noise. The only noise you can hear is from the what's it called, the fan, the power source fan. I'll change it eventually as soon as I can, but for now this is really smooth. Everything is really smooth, no noise from the motors, as you can hear, only the damn fan. Otherwise it's printing really well. By the way, I'm printing PLA infused with carbon fiber. I really like this material. It's easy to print. It's really stiff, not very good with the temperature, but it's very strong for what I need, for what this gear is going to be used. So I'm glad I done this update. There was a bit of work involved, and yeah, it's looking great. I can feel, actually I can see that the steps, the definition is better in this one, in the teeth, because of this gear, because I've done these gears before, and with the old setup, this is done with 0.2 layer lines, so it doesn't require really that much of it doesn't have to be a perfect print. It just has to be strong, and the definition will be noticeable on the performance of the teeth of this gear there. Other than that, it's printing in 100% infill, so it gets strong enough on the infill, but on the wall lines, in this case the teeth, it's 0.1 I guess, and it's doing a really good job. Okay guys, if you want to make your printer quieter and up to date, this is how it's going to look like. The LED lighting is optional, of course, but I usually use this lamp so I can check on my work, but I rather have this one. It's not easy to film, but it's much better to work. Everything is working flawlessly. It's perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is probably the last video I'm going to do about this printer. Anyway guys, I only use printers, 3D printers, to print car parts, nothing else but car parts. This one is going to a VDO cluster from a BMW E24. It works with a E30 and a E28 as well. For the video cluster, there is another set of wheels if you have a motometer cluster. It was designed in Fusion 360, sliced in Cura, and printed in anycubic i3 Mega with Merlin firmware, with a V6 hot end dual drive extruder. This is an all metal hot end, and a NEMA 17 23 millimeters and yeah, it's perfect. I'm just waiting on my BL Touch bed leveler, and yeah, it's working really smooth, really perfectly. Okay guys, so this will be my last video on this printer, I think, unless I'm printing something car related, because that's what I do. And so yeah, by the way, I did this upgrade to be able to print in nylon, ABS, and other kinds of filaments, which are much better than this one for printing car parts. And so hopefully it will work. I don't have any nylon with me right now, but I already have the glue, which will have to be rubbed on the bed, because nylon doesn't like to adhere to anything. And so maybe I'll make another video when I'm printing nylon, so you guys can see the difference between PLA, even though it's carbon fiber PLA, but still the difference between PLA and nylon regarding the stiffness and durability, and most important, on some parts, the heat resistance of the part itself. Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed it. It helped you in some way, and please subscribe. This is not sponsored by any means. This is something that I'm doing for myself, buying the parts myself, and just trying to give my customers a better product. Okay, so yeah, see you next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget, please subscribe.